Welcome to Business Sensor Hotel Management Software. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the smooth and intuitive check-in process, both for new guests and for guests who have previously stayed at your hotel. Starting from the home screen, we navigate to the reservation module and select room status chart. Here, you'll see a visual overview of all room categories and their current status, whether they're vacant, occupied, need cleaning, or both occupied and flagged for cleaning. In this case, we're going to check a guest into room 30 under the gold category. Select the room to open the right-hand panel. We click Check-in Guest to begin the process. Check-in Wizard appears and prompts us to select a guest option. Since this is a new guest, we'll choose Create a New Guest Check-in. Once selected, the system reveals a tab labeled Setup a New Guest. Clicking on the tab brings up the reception form where we can enter the guest's personal details. Once all information is filled, we save and exit the form. We're automatically redirected to the next stage, the Payment Details interface. Here, we see the booking summary and select a payment mode, either full payment on check-in or credit check-in. In this case, we're selecting full payment. Then, we click Next to proceed. Next, we click on Receive Payment and Check-in, which takes us to the Cash Receipt Manager interface. Here, we confirm the guest's payment information and then save the record. We return to the final page of the Check-in Wizard. You can choose to either click Check-in Guest or simply Finish to complete the process. It's important to note, if we had chosen Credit Check-in, we'd have been directed straight to the final confirmation stage, skipping the payment collection interface. The system brings us back to the room status chart, where you'll see that room 30 is now marked as occupied. Now, let's check in a guest who has stayed with us before, into room 26. The Setup tab appears, and the reception form loads. But instead of filling the form again, we use the Copy Old Guest button at the top ribbon. This brings up a list of all previous guests. We scroll to find the desired guest, tick the checkbox beside their name, and their details are automatically loaded into the form. After confirming everything, we save. We're now back at the wizard to review the booking summary, confirm payment, and click on Receive Payment and Check-in. Just like before, the system takes us to the Cash Receipt Manager to finalize the payment. We confirm and save the entry. The wizard returns to the final stage, and we click Check-in Guest to complete the process. Back on the status chart, room 26 now shows as occupied, successfully checked in. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials or to explore our full hotel ERP suite, visit www.businesssensor.com.